How to view the Ulta Beauty Rewards point rules in the rewards FAQ. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can use to find and let's get started with the video. So for that we can directly go to the rewards FAQ page within the Ulta Beauty. So go ahead and look out for a new tab in your browser and you can directly search for Ulta Beauty and search for FAQ page and hit enter. Once you hit enter, this is the site. We can click on it in order to open up the site, and here we'll be finding different sections. So go ahead and open it up, and here are different sections available, such as program information, earning points, redeeming points, platinum or diamond program, and many more. So you can click on the relevant section. For example, redeeming the Ulta Beauty Reward points online. You can click on it. After that, this page opens up. There are the questions and that will direct you to the terms and conditions and official rules that will be finding it here. So we can just go and view it up in the section. There we can guard for the rules, the bonus points, and not all purchases count, the points expiration, and many more. You can look out for this FAQ section this way and go ahead and find the official rules, and that's where all the detailed policies are listed. You can go ahead and look out for each of the topic available this way and view it. So that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow the steps. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.